Let's see how to install a glass block window. Fernando is going to show us a step-by-step process of the application of these glass blocks. He's using glass blocks, white mortar, glass block spacers, and one iron bar to give support. It is going to prevent the structure from swinging. The bathroom will look so good. Everything looks so neat and amazing already. He's making sure everything is well secured and placed well. All the parts of the process are shown in this tutorial. Fernando is a business owner and a professional at what he does. The bathroom glass block window is done, and we're loving it.